How are you? It's Sue Maddox from maddoxcreations.com. Let me just make sure I've got my volume there. Yes. So here live with you today to tell you about a couple of brand new kits we've got in our Stampin' Up range. These are perfect if you are a new crafter or if you are a busy crafter or you'd just like to have a little bit of a quick and easy project to try. So they've got all the bits that you need inside the kit. Okay, let's get stuck in and have a little bit of a look at those. Let me find my screen. Have we got it? Yes. Okay, so this is our first one, and I should have the link up here in the little, wherever it is, little description here with the video for where to find this one. So this one is called the Christmas Whimsy Kit. Now this is in our little kit section of our online store, and the kit section is a little bit different. So it's not tied to a catalogue or a timeline. We just have new kits pop in every now and then, and they're while stocks last. So you'll see them come and go. I gather from our catalogue that we might have a tags one coming up at some stage too before Christmas, so keep an eye out for that one. And there's a bunch of other gorgeous ones in there. There's some masculine ones, some more feminine looking ones, so something for everybody. Okay, let's get back onto this one though. This is the Christmas Whimsy Kit. It is $33. It's got all the things you need to make 8 cards. There's 4 each of the 2 different designs you see there. Sort of a modern looking whimsical type style. Okay, let's have a look at some of the things that are inside it. If I can get my, oh yes we can. So this is the kit content. So you can see that you've got the card bases there. You've got the little sheets of die cuts down in the bottom right there. That's all the little things. So you just pop them out and stick them on. There's some adhesives in the kit as well, little dots and little dimensionals. Right in the center there, you can see some gorgeous adhesive-backed holographic embellishments. So they're little tiny colourful stars with a holographic shimmer to them. They look really cute. And we've got some twine. There's a little ink spot and a clear block as well. So all the things that you need to make these cards. The little die-cut greeting panels there, and I'll show you, you get a little sheet of stamps in here. Hi Maria, great to see you. Let me show you the stamps. So it's this little set here, and just a really nice lot of greetings there. I thought that would be handy on lots of other cards as well. So nice little combination of fonts, and then you've got your little stars and sort of little snowflakey things that are handy for little background elements as well. So let's just go back to our cards here. So that is that one. So that is called the Christmas Whimsy Kit. What else did I have to tell you about that? Oh, that's right. It does. So 8 cards. It's also got coordinating envelopes. You can see them on this bit here with the nice gold foil. So that's always a nice little touch too. It all comes in a little printed designer box, which is handy to store all the bits and pieces in. It also makes a nice gift then too for someone. You can keep the box. The box is handy just to have your little projects that you've got on the go inside. All right, let's head over now. So as you'll know, every now and again, we get a paper pumpkin kit here in Australia. And the latest one is very nice. I really like this one. It's called the Expressions in Colour paper pumpkin kit. And you'll see here, this is 2 of the cards. You get 9 cards, enough for 9 cards. So I think there is one other design as well that's not shown here. Hi, Mary, great to see you. And you get 9 cards with coordinating envelopes once again, and in this beautiful, if you like the expressions in ink range in our catalogue, this is sort of along that similar sort of style. So I'll show you the contents here of the kit. Let's have a little look here. So we've got lots of little branch things that you can see at the top, the little die cut labels and die cut pieces. That nice alcohol ink looking background there on some of the panels and some of the bases. In this kit, there are some nice die cut vellum bits. So there's some die cut vellum flowers up in the top right there, and then also some vellum greetings there that you can see. Thanks, or a couple of other languages there if you speak I think it's, what is it, German and French, I think. What else have we got? Some little die cut labels once again for you to pop your greetings on. This kit has 2 little ink spots in it. So Bumblebee and also Evening Evergreen for your greetings. And let me just show you the little stamp set that you get in this kit. It's this one here. So lots of different ones for sending a card to someone special with congratulations, you are amazing, thanks for everything. Very, very relevant sort of sentiments there, I think, in our current little timeline here for 2021. And a nice little flower stamp there, and a little sort of ink splodgy looking one. They come up nice in the backgrounds, don't they? So yeah, some really lovely greetings in this one. You also have, let's go back over to here, you also have some adhesive backed sequins in there. A bit hard to see in that photo, but and all of your what do you call it, all of your adhesives that you need and whatnot as well. So that kit is $37, and you'll find that over, I've got a link in the little description here. And that is about it, I think. So these ones are while stocks last, particularly this Expressions in Ink Paper Pumpkin kit, okay? So jump in if you like the look of either of those and you need a bit of a card kit in your life. Now, I think I've been sharing with you some of our lovely baking that we've been enjoying here. Every time Hannah has a day where she doesn't have uni and hasn't got much to do, she likes to bake. So yesterday I was telling her about how much I missed the passion fruit sponges that my colleague at work used to make, going back a long 20 years or so now. So she had first go of making a sponge yesterday. So it turned out very nice. It was delicious. We've got a little bit left over today for afternoon tea. So a nice little passion fruit sponge there. So I am quite liking this hobby of hers. I'll be quite in that. I keep saying I definitely think I need to take up jogging to balance it out a little bit. Now I've got to show you my latest addition I got for my desk. This could possibly be a sign that I've been doing a little bit too much online shopping, but I couldn't resist this little guy. He's like a giant cockatoo there with a nice gold crest. So they're a bit of a pest, aren't they, the cockatoos? We don't quite really love it when they come visit our garden. We do have quite a lot in our area. But I got this one from, I was online shopping for a couple of gifts for some friends, and he just jumped into my cart there. So anyway, we'll find a little spot for him. John's going to have a fit when he sees this. Like, really? We really needed one of these in our lives? But yes, apparently we do. All right. That is about it for me today. So I will catch you another time with some cards or bits and bobs. Take care, everyone. Have a lovely day. Halfway through the week, I'm completely forgetting what day it is at the moment. They're all blending in a little bit, aren't they? But I hope you are keeping well, and I will see you again another time. Thank you. Bye.